What's up, guys? Good morning. Yeah, heading up to Oceanside pier to go fishing again. Here we are looking for a parking space. 4:30 in the morning. It's very dark. Walking with Mr. Rodrigo and Ronel, and let me just show you guys around here in Oceanside. It's 4:30 in the morning. Like I said, it's very dark. So you still got light, and here it is, the famous Oceanside pier sign. And there's actually two paths, but I took the right side and the father and son took the left one. But either way, it's the same thing. Um, yeah, this thing leads to the pier, and here I am at the pier walking. We thought we were early. We got here around 5 o'clock, but I guess not early enough because there are so many people that's already here to fish. But anyways, we're gonna walk down to our spot all the way up there, and looks like it's gonna be another crowded day. It's Sunday, so I guess everybody wanna come out here, and especially everybody, is catching those spot fins. And here's our spot right here, and there's Ronel and Mr. Rodrigo setting up his stuff. Mine's already set up before I start recording again. Sorry, guys. And I think I see one of my buddy John. He's from Temecula, and he's also set up already, just waiting for a fish to bite. And yeah, it's starting to get a little bit light there. Like I said, yeah, look at that. Still have lights on here, so it's still a little dark. It's a very long pier. It's made of wood. The one in Ocean Beach, I believe, it's made of cement and wood. But anyways, let me show you guys around. Then, like I said, there's already a couple of people here that are also fishing. And so far, it's been a bit slow. I don't know why, but yeah. Anyways, there's my first catch of the day. Yep, a yellowfin croaker. And again, we're just chilling, waiting, and waiting for to get bite, I guess. And there's Ronel and Rodrigo.
Just chilling.
Here it is, guys. Second catch of the day.
He's one you usually keep.
But there goes Mr. Rodrigo with his spot fin. And actually, I caught one earlier, but I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys that one. And look, somebody caught a halibut